Hey guys, this is Travis from the Third Gear Speed Shop, and this is just a quick little video to announce that I'll be participating in the 2017 Ford Truck Month build started by Tim Hulsey. You could head over to his YouTube channel and check out the intro video there, and I'll put a link in the description of this video as well. But for the month of January, he's asking everyone to build Ford trucks, and I think Lazy Eyed Modeler is in on it and promoting it, as well as the halfFast website is going to be posting videos of your Ford trucks. So I put the 32 gasser on hold for a little bit. It's getting a little tedious with a lot of scratch building, so I thought I would put it aside, and I've never done a group build, so I'm gonna participate in the Ford Truck Month build and just do something really fun and not a whole lot of scratch building. But I've got a 31 Ford running gear from the Revell kit, the Woody kit, with the 4-cylinder, and I've got a 29 body and bed that I'm going to be putting on the 31 frame. So we're going to see how it goes. But anyway, this is just a real short video. I will put like I said, I'll put the description of those guys' videos in down below, and at the end of this video I'll also throw on some photos of kind of what I'm thinking, the direction I want to go with this thing, so you can kind of get an idea of what it'll look like when it's all done, hopefully. So alright guys, hope you participate, and it's going to be a fun month, a fun year, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.